How to use the cost estimator feature on BCBSM. To use the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan cost estimator, you may follow up these steps. First of all, head over and go ahead and log into your member portal on bcbsm.com. After that, you can basically navigate to my plan coverage and then medical. So you may log in first of all, and then once you are logged in, you can find and click my coverage and then medical, and finally what's covered within the application. After that, you can find the plan documents. So head over and find it. Uh, Look for a link related to plan documents or benefits information, often within the plan benefits section within the app. And the cost estimator tool will be accessible within your plan documents. It might be labeled as cost estimator, estimate your cost, or something similar. And you can use the tool to search for the specific medical procedure, service, or prescription you're interested in, and the tool will display an estimated out of pocket cost based on your specific plan details and coverage. And the cost estimator may also allow you to compare cost for different providers of facility. You can basically go ahead and use the information to make informed decisions about your healthcare choices, and use the information to make informed decision about your healthcare choices. And the thing is, the tool is designed to be easy to use even for those who are unfamiliar with the health insurance jargon. Costs are tailored to your specific plan coverage details, including deductibles, copays, and coincidence. You can compare costs for different providers, facilities, or even different types of care. And that's it. That is how you basically use the cost estimator feature by BCBSM. The cost estimator is available to most non Medicare members and can be accessed through the member portal or the mobile application easily. So, this is how you do it. So, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.